My name is Zion, and this is my wife Valentina, and we've been doing locksmith for over than 12 years now.
Here in our channel, we will share our knowledge and everything we learned over the years. Here you will find everything about locks and keys, whether it's for your home, office, or vehicle. We will cover it all.
Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on a Dodge or Chrysler remote head key. So all you need is a flathead screwdriver. We're going to pop the cover to open. Then you see the battery is in the cover. You need to take the battery out. Now the battery sometime will come out with the battery connector too, but don't worry about it. You can just take the battery out of there. I'm going to put a new battery in there, and then you can just slide it back to its place. As you see on the cover there is a small square part here. So that's where it goes. This side is the negative side. It's going there. You just pop it back, and then we can just put the cover back in there. That's it. It's very simple. You can do it yourself, and thank you for watching.